Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL series. Today we are going to learn about a concept called joins. And the first join would be inner join. Now what does the inner join do is it returns all the rows from both the tables that are being joined where a corresponding value is found in each table. So basically the value should be available in both the table. It does not apply to nulls because null cannot be matched with a null. As you can see the Venn diagram here, the output would only be the green region which is common between both the tables. The syntax would look like select table name 1 dot column name 1 table name 2 dot column name 2 etc from table name 1 inner join, this is the keyword, table 2 on table 1 dot common field equals table 2 dot common field. So the inner join basically tells that we have to find the common data, and the fields that should be matching would be the common field name or the common column name among both the tables. For example, let's say we were discussing about star schema, wherein a table has the student information or employee information and the other table has sales information based on each employee as the salesperson. So for each employee ID which will be there in the employee table and the sales table, we can match on that, and the respective employee information can be fetched along with their respective sales. This is equivalent to the VLOOKUP in Excel, wherein any NA values would not be returned and only the matches would be returned. Now let's take a look at this in practice. I have written the statement. And please note, since we are using joins and we have multiple tables, we are going to use alias extensively to understand which column is being used from which table. So select a dot title, t dot name, t dot composer from albums A. So the title of the album is coming from the albums table. Inner join tracks t, so which means the track name and track composer is coming from the t table on album ID from both the tables. And you can see that it is not being used in the output as it is not mandatory. So let's execute this. As you can see, it took a while. However, the number of rows loaded is 3503. So the output looks like for each title of the album, you can see each track name and the composer for each of them. So you can try inner join with different tables and try to see the output how it looks like. And also when you use incompatible data types, it will throw an error. Inner join is a very important concept that we'll be using very frequently in our day-to-day work while writing SQL queries. So practice this a lot and understand the nuances and when to use inner join compared to other types of joins we will be discussing later. That's it for this video. Keep learning. Thank you.